Yarpsan ngut kinong one shah pyndep ni shah hikai ban shna ice cream hapo ka Jasper Institute of Professional Skill Society maukurwan kilala pan pyndep ya ka thong jongki hapo ka por pelabo haka ba haka sngi pale jong ka tayo ka arpo tere gunai wing ar Yarpsan kila shapan ko buram ringkat ke Ïoh jongki ya ki Syrnod ya ka program an sam ki Syrnod la pelong hapo ka Jasper Institute Training Hall Hakaba uba MWAR General Manager Jongka District Commerce and Industry Center ni DCIC Southwest Castle District ulalong kumukongsan haringkat ke jingdan lang US Das Ram Consultant Shillong laban kedawru payakan ni ka program la pelong da ka office jong District Commerce and Industry Center ni DCIC Southwest Castle District kabahapo Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM Scheme balabating ka na ka World Bank. Kiwede kibladon lang kilong uba Jasper Lengdo, founder chong ka Jasper Institute of Professional Skill Society maukerwan ubala penyat ya ka jinglang kokong Dramisha Lengdo kabla ai ka jingdwai sedang uba perkhat lang Lengdo ubala ai ka jingwai kerpang pat kokong Early Nancy Lengdo mau plang kabla ai kentien kublai
We have to pour in a mold, we put here for 15 to 20 minutes. And we do that's all. Yeah, when we do the leveling also.
Achha, it has nothing to do with your.
So this was meant for cream making.
Okay.
We call it churner or we use called batch freezer.
Okay.
Here we just mix milk, water, then flavor, emulsion, stabilizer.
You also need to know how to market it, because unless and until you will market your product, it cannot be a lucrative, it cannot be revenue generating for you. In order to market it, you need to have a proper packaging, you need to have proper certification, the food safety license, the food grade things you have to adopt. So those things also you have to learn and you have to adopt, so that you make your product marketable and lucrative for yourself also. So how to generate the demand, how will you spread the things that you have learned ice cream. So what is the next step? You can create your own social media channels, handles, and you can make your reels and blogs that yes, I am making ice cream, please come to me, or place orders or something. I am making it for my home or something like that. Then you have to figure out what are the equipments that you need to make ice cream. Either you can buy it, or you have to find out how much money required to buy it to start up your own venture. You can then you have to find out what are the channels from which I can get finance. You can contact the DCIC, they can help you in getting your own financial help. You can start your venture, then you have to spread your word to social media handles and other things. You have to make suitable product videos, your own blogs, then your testimonies of customers and all that. You take feedback from them. Then you have to participate gradually.
Ketua di marketing, gawe di marketing, ndai takat turu, ndai long kidang don chus kui bong sasang menen, ba kidon kini ki pihak banlej ki exhibitions. Telah London exhibition hangi jungi hangi po district lani hawi district ru pidi ban kloy ban 1 mi maki sha tang shutep pidi ban kloy ban 1 mi sha office mi bakin ya ai kerteng mo tata bilas dang ya ka unit kan ya por bilas dang kumbo mene sasang sanggot drengot pinde group lang ya le lang por bilas ban form ya ka we ka we unit mo iba patay unit berit ngatrai kan ulak no trai si salak anak mo salak ulak ladap ya unit berit. Tidak fidon kap bisa bila banyawan mi iso kesumi lingba ketuk skim berdon mentah tu PMGP. Eka tur bila banyawan sip kebun nanti long hinwan ngin jarap ifi man pen penle ki project report penle man peni yalam ip ki banks kadang ma penio ya ka jingira na nangi ban ki banks mo te tamaswa penle ki kampat pi de non 100% sure ba pinak ni tu ka te kani jimon training jung pi ru ka de we ba long pa pila pilwan man pen lut por hang ne pila invest ka time jung pi ne te pila andang pat pia kendiat su pia ban ya trail lam iba just so shipor akor kana ba pin khamong perfect ke kalau perfect hata ka por pa sedang ke kam job bisa wan mi stage ni so wan pan ki ka bai investment ma ba limba ka scheme PMGP te nang tu gila ni rap pi ba pin sedang unit le jong te kanong pi ru su ko we ba kadon kini ki master classes jong yang teru apo bangim kandak ngina na office jong ni atrai min sa ai ki date sai ai nes na sa jong pi ba min sa penbait lano gini ya perlong gini atrai sometime in the month of December ni perlong gini classes